Now let's talk about understanding sharing concepts. In Windows 8, Microsoft kind of went back to the drawing board and they tried to introduce into their operating system functionalities that work the way we now work in what a lot of people will refer to as a Web 2.0 environment or a Web 2.0 world. And as a result of that, Windows 8 includes a lot of automated sharing functionalities. Now, if you'll think about how we use the internet now, we share information constantly. We find things in email we want to share with people. We find things in the internet we want to share with people. And we want to pass information to other applications. We want to pass information to Facebook and to Twitter and to all these other social type media functionalities out there and websites. And so Microsoft is making an effort to build that sharing functionality into Windows 8. Now the way they're doing that is out there on the Charms bar you will find the share button. Okay, and so if I go out to the Charms bar, you'll notice right here is that share button. Okay, and I'll demo that for you a little bit later in a separate video. Okay. But the purpose of the share functionality, again, is to allow users to very easily share content from within one app to another application or multiple applications. Now, when you look at it right now in Windows 8, there's a little bit of functionality there, but this allows apps to be designed by those mad scientist developer types out there to offer and accept data to and from each other apps and so forth. And so what you're going to see, and Microsoft's really pushing this very hard in their developer courses and so forth, is to write what they're calling these contracts for an application to be able to share this data. And again, this is a major focus in Microsoft's mind for app developers, because they fully understand that for an operating system nowadays to really be effective, you need to be able to very easily move data from one app to another, because we're now in this data-centric environment where I may receive an email, but I need to pass part of that email on to someone else, or I need to add it to my Twitter account, or I need to stick something on my Facebook from it, or I need to pass it off to another part of an application that we use in our company or that I've downloaded off the internet. And sharing is going to take care of that for us. Now, again, this is one of those things that you need to watch as we start to see service packs on Windows 8, as we see the next version. This is one of those areas that's going to get a tremendous amount of attention. It's also going to drive a lot of the functionality that developers will use to attract people to buy their applications because of the unique, easy, and even automatic sharing functionalities that their apps have. Okay, so that's what sharing's all about. The ability to very, very quickly pass data, pass information, not only from user to user by using things like email or SMS, but from application to application, and of course ultimately from user to user. So that's the basics of sharing, and in the next video or two I'll do a simple little sharing demonstration and then show you how to change some of the sharing settings.